How to fix payment processing issues in your Shopify store. Hello, Shopify friends. Are you struggling with payment processing issues in your Shopify store? Maybe you're seeing errors like there was an issue processing your payment. Try again or use a different payment method. Don't worry, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through some common reasons behind these payment issues and provide actionable steps to resolve them quickly. Let's dive right in. The first step is to check your payment settings. Go to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to Settings Payments. Ensure you've selected a valid payment gateway and that it's configured correctly. Double-check that your payment gateway account is active and all necessary information, like API keys, is entered accurately. A small error here can cause major payment disruptions. Next, consider potential payment gateway restrictions. Some gateways have geographical limitations or restrictions based on your business type or product categories. Ensure your business and products comply with your payment gateway's policies. If not, you may need to switch to a compatible gateway. Another common culprit? Third-party apps or theme conflicts. If you've recently installed a new app or updated your theme, it might be interfering with payment processing. Try disabling or uninstalling the most recent additions to see if that resolves the issue. Sometimes, the issue isn't with Shopify at all. It could just be your browser. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, or switch to a different browser altogether. This can help eliminate any conflicting data that might be causing problems. Payment failures can also occur on the customer side. For example, they might be using an expired card or their account might have insufficient funds. In such cases, kindly ask your customer to contact their bank or try another payment method. Make sure your Shopify store and theme are up to date. Outdated versions can sometimes cause compatibility issues with payment gateways. Check for updates in your Shopify admin panel and install them if available. If none of these steps work, it's time to reach out to Shopify support. They can investigate deeper technical issues and provide specific assistance tailored to your store. And that's it, Shopify friends. Addressing payment processing issues promptly can save you from frustrated customers and potential revenue loss. If you're still stuck, don't hesitate to consult a Shopify expert for help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more Shopify tips. See you in the next video.